Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're frustrated with Roblox error code 277 popping up and telling you to check your internet connection, don't worry, we've got you covered. This error is super common in 2025 and usually points to connectivity issues between your device and Roblox's servers. Whether you're on PC, mobile, or console, I'll walk you through simple, step-by-step fixes that have helped thousands of players get back into the game quickly. First things first, let's start with the basics. Error code 277 often stems from unstable internet, so begin by checking your connection. Open a web browser and load a few pages to see if everything's running smoothly. If your Wi-Fi is spotty, try restarting your router, unplug it for 30 seconds and plug it back in. This simple trick refreshes your network and resolves minor glitches. Next, restart your device. Sometimes, a quick reboot can clear temporary software bugs. Once that's done, launch Roblox and see if the error persists. If it does, make sure Roblox is up to date. Head to the Roblox website or App Store, check for updates, and install them. Outdated versions can cause compatibility issues with the latest servers. Now, let's dive a bit deeper. If you're still seeing the error, try flushing your DNS cache. On Windows, open the command prompt as administrator and type ipconfig flushdns, then hit enter. For Mac users, use the terminal and enter sudo dscache util flushcache. This clears any corrupted DNS data that might be blocking your connection. Another effective fix is switching to a wired connection if possible. Ethernet cables are more stable than Wi-Fi, so plug in directly to your router and test Roblox again. If none of these work, it might be time to contact your internet service provider, ISP, to check for outages or speed issues in your area. There you have it. Easy steps to banish error code 277 for good. Remember, staying proactive with your internet setup can prevent these errors in the future. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more gaming tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any other Roblox troubles. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.